Did Jesus think he was God? Throughout almost all of Christian history, his followers have said he was God, and so it's a logical question. Did he think so? I'm Bart Ehrman, and I've written a number of books dealing with the New Testament and the historical Jesus, including Misquoting Jesus and Jesus Interrupted. I'll be hosting a webinar on November 7th dealing with the issue of whether Jesus thought he was a divine being. It's an important question, especially for believing Christians, but it's intriguing whether you're a Christian or not. Many Christian apologists today come up with proofs that Jesus is in fact God. One of the most famous proofs was expressed succinctly by C.S. Lewis. He asks, was Jesus who he said he was? There are only three options. If Jesus said he was God, he was either a liar, a lunatic, or the Lord. The logic is that if Jesus said he was God, he was either right or he was wrong. If Jesus was wrong, then he either knew he was wrong when he said he was God, or he didn't know he was wrong. If Jesus said he was God and knew he was wrong, he was a liar. If he said he was God and didn't know that he was wrong, then he was a lunatic. So if Jesus isn't either a liar or a lunatic, he has to be the Lord. He must be God. There's a problem with this argument. It's based on an unexamined premise. It assumes that Jesus called himself God. Did he? How would we know either way? The only sources for Jesus' sayings that are at all reliable are the four Gospels of the New Testament. But scholars have known for a long time that these Gospels are not always reliable in everything they relate. And so we'll have two questions. Do the early Gospels actually say that Jesus called himself God? And if they do say that, can we accept that as historically trustworthy? Those are the questions that I'll be asking during my webinar. Again, the webinar is on November 7th. It'll be at 3 o'clock Eastern Time. To purchase a recording, it'll cost $14.95. If you want to attend, the cost is only $9.95. My talk will last 40 to 50 minutes, followed by 30 to 40 minutes of Q&A. If you sign up for the live talk, you'll have the opportunity to ask a question, and you'll be able to watch the recording whenever you want. If you'd like to register, please visit bartehrman.com/webinar. Thanks so much. I hope to see you there.